To set up Google Authenticator on Bybit, start by opening the Bybit app or website. If you haven't signed up for Bybit yet, you can do so and claim 25 USDT in a mystery box worth up to 1000 USDT. Once you're logged in, go to your account by clicking on your profile and then selecting Account and Security. Scroll down to the Advanced Protection section, where you'll find the option for Google Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Settings and verify your email address by entering the code sent to your email. Next, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone and open it. Scan the QR code or manually enter the key phrase to activate the verification token. After scanning the QR code, you'll see an authentication code in the Google Authenticator app. Enter this code and click Confirm to complete the setup. Once you've done this, you'll have successfully set up Google Authenticator on Bybit.